Let's swap out 3 things around the house that need to be replaced. First up is the toaster we've had for years now. Some of the coils in the heating element stopped working, so it's no longer toasting evenly. I thought I'd use the 4-slice toaster more often than I do, so I decided to go back to a 2-slice toaster to save a little room on the counter. I was excited to find a model that gave me 8 different color options. Most of my style in the kitchen leans towards the 1970s era, so I decided to go with this bright orange. The refrigerator has a lot of orange and pink. The kitchen curtains I made from a vintage tablecloth have orange flowers, and I recently hung up some dried out cuties in the window, so this new toaster feels perfect. Just as I was filming these clips, a kid asked for a sandwich, so we got to test it out right away, and we're all good. Successful swap. Next up are the lights on the kitchen shelves. This set of string lights started out with jack-o'-lanterns, and I loved having the ambiance of string lights in this spot so much, I decided to swap the jack-o'-lanterns for Santa heads. Now that it's January, I'm swapping the Santa heads for little snowmen. Over the next few weeks, I'm hoping to come across some little hearts at the thrift store for Valentine's Day. Until then, it looks perfect. Someone commented I need to edit a video of all the blow mold light covers I do throughout the year, so I started a file of all the clips and I plan to do that at the end of the year. The last of the 3 swaps is the vibe of the kitchen table. It's time to pack up most of the items from this holiday setup. The Christmas themed mat I had here is getting swapped for something that will go better with the heart-shaped basket you might recognize from yesterday's thrifting video. Ever since I thrifted this linen tablecloth back in the fall, I learned 50 inches by 66 inches are the perfect dimensions for this table. That way all 4 sides fall without touching the chairs. Since I loved how the tablecloth looked in November so much, I am now on the hunt for more tablecloths with those exact dimensions. For the winter tablecloth, I'm picking from what I have on hand. I decided against the neutral tablecloth with tassels and went with this summer barbecue vibe instead. It's the only red one I have, and I don't have any pink ones, so until I find more vintage tablecloths that fit this table, this one will still look great. I do have a pretty white floral one my grandma made from a bedsheet, so I will probably use that one this winter as well. I love it when the tablecloth gets swapped. It makes the whole room feel fresh. I was excited to transfer the soft peppermints we all love from the winter tree vessel into the newly thrifted and washed ceramic heart basket. This way, the holiday-themed peppermints instantly become little Valentine's Day treats without having to buy anything. Come back next time as we swap more things around the house that need to be replaced.